And let's do that they have.
And she was boogieing pretty good. She is on the floor, spinning, doing the splits, everything.
Really? That's how my grandsons could do all kinds of stuff. Do the break dance. Well,
Yeah,
their
I think
dad
that's what she was trying to do.
was an excellent dancer, so he taught her how to dance. And my oldest grandson went in the Air Force. He did where they do the thing with the rifles and do like kind of like a dance thing.
This little one's making out.
Our exercise lady said before the routine started, she goes, "I feel so guilty." Oh, cute. She says, "I feel so guilty because I regifted my candy to the trick-or-treaters." That's cute. Never thought about doing that.